Have you ever had a righteous desire and you were disappointed when it didn't get fulfilled in the way that you had hoped for? I love D&C Section 9. What we have is Oliver Cowdery. He had this righteous desire to participate in translating, not just as a scribe, but to reveal the precious word of God. Well, it didn't quite turn out. He attempted, he tried, and he failed. And even though he failed, God taught him the power of preparation and also perspective, that it's okay if things don't always turn out the way we may wish. And let me tell two stories to reinforce this. And I invite you to think in your own life, how can I turn myself back to God even if my righteous desires have not been fulfilled quite in the way that I imagined? Now, let's take the story from church history. The city of Nauvoo, the beautiful city, it was the gathering place for the saints. All the saints believed this was Zion. The idea was this is where they were going to gather to. How many of the saints actually ever imagined that they would abandon the beautiful city and flee out to the west to build Zion anew? So I find it significant that even in our own lives, where we believe that we might be able to accomplish a certain thing in a certain way, God may have new Nauvoo's for us. Meaning, it could work out for Nauvoo, but if circumstances change, God has other ways to fulfill his purposes. And there may be another Zion that we are building in a different location. On a personal level, some years ago, my wife and I, like most married couples, we were hopeful to have children. And due to fertility issues, we couldn't have our own children. And it was very distressing to us. We had this longing desire. In some ways, we felt like Hannah in the Old Testament. And so this dream that we had didn't work out the way we thought. And yet God reassured us. He had other ways for us to participate in our dreams. A little bit like with Oliver Cowdery. He still was able to participate in the rolling forth of the plan of salvation, of the restoration. And for my wife and me, we were able to adopt two lovely, beautiful children. And we feel very grateful to God for this miraculous gift. And so our plan didn't work out, but God's plan did. And we can say the same thing for Oliver Cowdery. His plan didn't work out, even though it was a righteous desire. But the righteous desire that did work out was God's. So I invite you to consider today or this week, what are God's righteous desires for you? And look to see how God's love and plan is unfolding in your life.